Is your Steam Deck external monitor desktop mode display settings glitch driving you crazy? You're not alone, and we've got the rock-solid fixes you need right now to get your secondary screen working flawlessly. First, method 1, always start with the basics. Power cycle your Steam Deck and external monitor, then carefully unplug and firmly reconnect your display cable. Try different ports and if possible a different cable or even another monitor to rule out hardware faults. These simple steps often resolve many connection-related display issues. If those connection checks didn't clear things up, the problem often lies deeper with outdated software or firmware, which brings us to method 2. Enter desktop mode, open console and run sudo pacmansu to update your SteamOS. Also, ensure your monitor's firmware is current. Updating drivers ensures compatibility and fixes known bugs. Still seeing issues after updating? Sometimes the Steam Deck's display configuration itself gets corrupted. Let's tackle that with method 3. Head into your display settings, delete any saved display profiles, and apply the default settings. Then, carefully reconfigure your monitor layout and set your primary display. This clears any lingering bad settings. If default settings still aren't cutting it, we need to get granular. Method 4 dives into advanced display adjustments to fine-tune your external monitor. Manually set a lower resolution or refresh rate, disable features like freezing, and experiment with different display scaling options until your external display stabilizes. One of these methods will get your Steam Deck's external display working perfectly.